Storytelling English for Kids. English story for kids. The Boy Who Cried Wolf. The Boy Who Cried Wolf. A boy had a duty to look after a flock of sheep. One day he started shouting, "Wolf, wolf, wolf," for the sole purpose of fun. On hearing him, the villagers rushed to his help. What started as a figment of his imagination became his hobby, and he started fooling the villagers. One day, when a wolf really came, nobody came, and as a result, the boy was killed. There was no one to blame but him. Moral: never lie, no matter how bad the situation is. If you like the video, do subscribe our channel, hit the bell icon to never miss an update. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe our channel.